How to pack up a Christmas tree. I'm going to share with you a method that has been scientifically proven to be the fastest and most time-efficient way to pack up a Christmas tree. You can completely pack up your Christmas tree in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Remove the tinsel. Step 2. Remove the ornaments. Step 3. Hang it. Step 4. Hang it. Step 5. Hang it. Step 6. Hang it. Step 7. Hang it. Step 8. Don't egg it. Step 9. Egg it. Step 10. Egg it. Step 11. Egg it. Step 12. Egg it. Step 13. Egg it. Step 14. Egg it. Step egg. Egg it. Steg. Egg. 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 Remove the egg. Place in the oven at 1200 degrees Celsius for 30 days. Perfect! It's been all packed up ready for next year. Happy New Year!